If your Xbox Series X console is malfunctioning and you want to know how to hard reset your console, then stay tuned and I'll show you 2 different ways to factory reset your Xbox Series X by using the console buttons even without the screen turning on. As you already know, hard resetting your console is a long process and it may also delete your games and apps. So if you're trying to hard reset your console as a troubleshooting method, then first you can try soft resetting it. For that you'll just need to unplug it from power and then wait a couple minutes before turning it on. If this didn't fix your issue, then let's move to hard reset. First I'll show you how you can hard reset your console from the settings if you can access it. So from the home screen we will select the settings icon, then go to the side panel, select System and Console Info. Then the second option will be Reset Console. Press A and you'll be given 2 options. You can either reset and remove everything, which includes your games and apps, or you can keep your games and apps and reset other settings such as your accounts and system preferences. So select the option that's best suitable. Now let's see how you can reset your Xbox Series X console without this screen by only using the console buttons. For that, first force shut down your console by holding down the power button until the LED goes off. Then unplug the power cable. Wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and now you need to hold down the power button and the eject button together, and while holding it, press the power button once, and continue holding the eject and the power button until you see the startup sound once again. Then you can let go and your console will boot up in the troubleshooter. So turn on your controller and using the D-pad, go down to reset, and now you can choose between the 2 options just like before. And hopefully after the reset, all your issues you are having with the console will be fixed. And if this helped, make sure to give us a thumbs up, support us by subscribing, and keep on gaming.